So today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of Simply Earth. So real quick, for those of you who don't know what Simply Earth is an essential oil company. You can sign up for their monthly boxes, which are really cool because they're themed. During fall, you get a fall themed box. Halloween, you'll get a Halloween box. Christmas, you get a Christmas box. So their monthly boxes are really cool. You can sign up for their monthly boxes, or they have all of their products listed individually to purchase on their website. So this is one of their monthly boxes, and this is actually called an essential oil recipe box because it comes with recipe cards that are really fun and easy to follow. And then also inside the box it comes with all of the ingredients that you need to create each recipe from the recipe card. So let's see what's inside. We have a paper here. Okay, so let's see. So this one looks really interesting. So the first thing I see here is, it looks like sticker labels, and these labels are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. They look very springy themed though. So we've got sore muscles, vapor chest, breath inhaler. Oh yeah, definitely springy because it sounds like recipes for allergies. Germ cleaner, warts be gone, shower disc. Okay, let's just see what else is in here. So the next thing I have here is the recipe cards. Okay, so we've got germ cleaner, warts be gone roll-on, breath inhaler, vapor chest roll-on, shower disc pick me up, and sore muscle roll-on. So what we have here is some menthol crystals. That's really cool. They have a clean, crisp scent, USP grade, 100% pure. This is a 1 ounce pat. Next we have here is an oil. Oh, ooh, this is a coconut oil. Oh, I love coconut oil. You guys know that I use their almond oil religiously. I also love their jojoba oil, but this is a coconut oil. And the oils that normally come in these boxes are carrier oils for you to use with your essential oils, but I love using their oils on their own for several things because they're just amazing. So this is coconut fractionated oil. It's 100% pure carrier oil, odorless, clear. This looks so good. I've never actually owned coconut oil in like a melted form or more like an oil form. I've usually just had it in a solid form. So this is really neat. So next up here, they send you these little empty containers here for you to make the recipes that are on the recipe card. So they sent 3 roll-on containers, which would be for the warts be gone roll-on, the vapor chest roll-on, and the sore muscles roll-on. And they also sent this little vial here, which I'm just going to assume is just to make a mixture of the oils. And then they also sent 2 inhalers here. So now I'm going to show you what essential oils came in the box. We've got one called a Defender, and this one is a floral, sweet, and spicy medicinal undertones. If you hear any crinkly paper noises, it's actually Kiki over here playing with some paper. Oh, the paper that actually came in the box. Woo! Oh, it smells good. Oh, man. Wow, that really opens up your nostrils. I'm getting a lot of menthol in that one. Next up we have lemon. I love lemon scented anything, so I can't wait to smell this one. Oh my gosh, this one smells so fresh and beautiful. I love, love, love lemon scents. Oh, next we have oregano. I've never smelled an oregano essential oil. I wonder what the oregano is for. For the warts be gone. Wow, oregano. Next we have Raven Sarah. I've never heard of that before. It's fresh and earthly with woody and subtle peppery aromas. Wow. Sounds really interesting. Ooh, this one actually smells like black licorice. I love black licorice. It smells really good to me, but I didn't smell much pepper, but very fresh and earthy. But I smell black licorice. That smells so good. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Simply Earth's not sure what month box this is, but I also got a little card in here which I've never seen before, and it says your box is getting better. You are going to get a big bonus box every 6th box starting in March. Each bonus box will have a carrier oil, a hard oil like shea butter, beeswax, and containers to get you through the next 6 months. That's cool. You'll still get your regular boxes each month with 4 oils, recipe cards, and fun extras. Well, that's interesting. And it costs the same as the regular box, so that's really neat. $39 a month, exactly what your box costs now. You get more stuff and we save on shipping. Sounds like a win-win to me. So yeah, that's everything that came in this month's box. I'm definitely going to find out which month this was exactly because I feel really bad that I didn't know. But as always, this was a really fun box and I love everything inside of it and I cannot wait to use it all. I have got these Simply Earth Essential Oil boxes literally stacking up. It's one of my favoriteest companies, and if you're into essential oils, you would love this company. Plus, I always like to mention that 13% of all that they make goes towards helping end human trafficking, which as always, I think is wonderful. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so that you will know every time that I post a video and you can just immediately watch it. Give this video a like if you liked it, or even if you didn't, it's okay. And leave me some comments down below and I will talk to you guys later. And hi! You gonna say hi? You gonna say hi, girl? Hi, girl? Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh, her so beautiful and her so good sometimes. Actually, she's been really bad this morning. Ah! Look what she's doing to me. Oh yeah, stop while you're on the camera, huh? Gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, she's being sassy today. You're being sassy today. You're being sassy today? Hey. Okay. Okay, time to end the video now. Bye.